This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Dodge Journey. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a security system, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 59,000 miles. This Dodge has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Ed Martin, the only name you need to know for all your transportation needs. 6 convenient locations, 9 different manufacturers, over 3,000 new and used vehicles, all online at edmartin.com. Log on to edmartin.com today.